live in the shadows of love, where darkness reigns and silence falls. Most say being in love is the best feeling you can have, but for me it's a different story. Living in the shadows of my own love, I'm lost in a world of my own making. Our love feels like a distant dream. It's a dark, cold, lonely place where my heartache goes unseen. In the shadows of love I reside, yearning for a glimpse of light. Heartache close unseen. In the shadows of love I reside, yearning for a glimpse of light. I walk alone in the shadows of night, hoping to find a way out of this plight. Ask myself who are in love, but live in the shadows of it, drowning in a sea of despair, where hope is but a fleeting prayer. I'm lost in a world of my creation, where love feels like a twisted game. It's a dark, cold, lonely place where my tears are calling my name. In the shadows of love I remain, longing for a sliver of flame, but all I find is endless pain. Even though you're out of sight, it's a bittersweet symphony. A love that's lost in the shadows, lingering like a ghost in my dreams. I search for a path towards the light, hoping to see beyond the endless night. But the darkness keeps pulling me in, where every step feels like a sin, where love feels like a sin.